The truth is that perfect living masters come to us because of our seeking inside, not seeking outside. Even if you have been running around to various places looking for truth, they don't respond to that. They respond to an inner seeking. Where you say, I have tried all this, but I want something more real. I want something more satisfying. I got this, it only worked this far. I want something more. But no time or no effort is wasted. Don't think that if you make a mistake, that mistake is going to go waste. You learn something. We always learn from our mistakes. I used to work for the government at one time, and people were afraid. I replaced a boss who was very particular. Nobody should make a mistake. He would cut their marks, give a black mark, and sometimes hold up their promotion. I replaced him, and I said in my very first meeting with those guys, make as many mistakes as you can. They were surprised. I said, if somebody comes up to me and says, I've never made a mistake, I know he has never done any work. Therefore, mistake should be accepted. To err is human, to forgive divine. Now, if somebody makes a mistake, don't judge him. When we start judging, we get into trouble with that person and also with ourselves. Judgment is not necessary for good life. We try, unless you are a judge on the bench in a court, then you have to judge. But otherwise, to judge people all the time, pass judgment, give your opinion, how good or bad they are, doesn't help you at all, nor does it help the other person. It doesn't help anybody. So judgment, if you want to judge somebody, spend some time understanding if you were that person, what would you do? Would you act differently? If all the circumstances of yours were the same as the person you are judging, you will stop judging.